Welcome to Mr. D's class, where we're gonna have some fun. Put on your thinking caps now, the party's just begun.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Mr. D's Show Online, the place where we all get together to learn some stuff and spend some time together. We've got a pretty busy show for you today, so I'm not going to waste too much time. I hope your weekends were great. I hope the weather was nice. I hope you got to go outside and enjoy yourself. Speaking of weather, let's have Miss A come in. She'll tell us what day it is and what we can expect from the weather today. Miss A, pleasure to see you.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet.
Hi everyone, it is Monday, June the 8th. Yesterday was Sunday, June the 7th, and tomorrow will be Tuesday, June the 9th. It's another beautiful day. Enjoy your day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye. Looks like we're going to have another gorgeous Monday. It's going to be a high of 23. Enjoy your day, and I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Keep on getting outside and enjoying the beautiful weather. See you all tomorrow. Bye.
As always, thank you, Miss A. It was great to see you, and thank you for giving us our calendar information and our weather information. Next up is our new word family. It's a fun word family. It ends with UG, and Miss B will tell us all about the UG family.
Hey everybody, it is word family time. So word families are groups of words that rhyme and have a similar spelling because you're changing just a couple of letters in the front to make them rhyme. So today's word family is the UG, or UG, word family. So the words that I came up with are Doug, jug, mug, bug, and hug. So see if you guys can come up with 5 more words to add to my UG family list. And yeah, have fun. Do some rhyming. Bye for now.
Thanks, Miss B. I would give you a huge hug if I could. See, UG word? Come on, I got it. Next up, Mr. Duhamel is here, and Mr. Duhamel has some more of his music segment stuff. I think he's going to be talking about making an instrument today with some stuff that you may have around the house. So you don't have to obviously do that task, but it's a pretty cool video to watch. So let's stay tuned as Mr. Duhamel shows us something about music.
Making music, making music, making music, making music with Mr. Duhamel.
Hey, so today we are going to be making some more music, and you may be thinking, Mr. Duhamel, I don't have an instrument. That's okay, because today we are going to be making some instruments, and they're super easy to make. I know that you can make them yourself. So the first instrument I'm going to show you is kind of my inspiration for this video, because my daughter, her name's Joy, she really likes making music. And so at around Easter time, we thought we should make her some shakers. And so we did, and they're really easy. Now you can use anything, but because it was Easter time, we had Kinder Surprise eggs. So what we did was we took a Kinder Surprise egg and we put rice in it. We put some tape on it so that she couldn't open it, but it makes a great shaker. Pretty cool, eh? So that's the first one that you can make. And you don't have to use a Kinder egg. You can use anything. Put a little bit of rice in it or something like rice, and then when you shake it, it makes noise. You can use pebbles or whatever. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you, I didn't actually make. I just found in my kitchen. Macaroni. A macaroni box. And I can shake it, and it makes a pretty loud noise. I can also hit it, and it makes a fun noise too. Multiple purposes for that instrument. The other instrument I made two of them, but I found a container and an elastic, and it makes noise. Pretty cool, right? So anyways, those are the instruments. And I know I explained how to make those really fast, because now we're going to talk about how we can make some music. So if you're by yourself, you may want to set them up on a table so you can play them all at once. Maybe you've got some family at home and you can give your instruments out. But then what you want to do is find a beat. You're going to choose the tempo of your song. So I could say my tempo is going to be this. And I don't want to get any faster. I don't want to get any slower. But if I keep that tempo going, I can go. And see how that is in that same tempo? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record myself making all the instruments because I'm alone. And also I don't have a lot of desk space for you to be able to see. I'm going to make a song and show you just what you can do with the instruments that you make at home. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty fun, right? Like, I did all of that within like a few minutes, finding a few things around my house. And some of the things I didn't even have to build, like the recycling bin drum and the macaroni box. Anyways, I look forward to hearing the music that you're making at home. Bye for now.
Thanks, Mr. Duhamel. Miss D has been doing a lot of cooking and cleaning, but she's kind of done with the cleaning. She's moving more into cooking. And one thing that Mr. D likes to eat almost every day is a nice boiled egg. They're easy, they're delicious, they're healthy. It's an easy thing to make. It's usually not too messy. So Miss D, can you kind of explain to us how we could safely make a delicious boiled egg? Life skills.
Hey guys, on Life Skills with Misty today, I'm going to show you how to boil some eggs. And the reason why I'm showing you how to boil eggs is because you can eat them just hard boiled, you can make egg salad, or you can even make deviled eggs. So what you're going to need is a pot, your eggs, and your stove. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my eggs and gently place them into my pot. I do this first and then I add my water, because I like to add the water just so it's above all my eggs. And if I put my water in here first and then put my eggs in, my pot will overflow. So we're going to go over to the sink and I'm going to show you. Actually, I'm going to go to the sink and I'll be right back. So while I'm filling them, I fill them with cold water just so that they're above all the eggs. You see that? So the water is just above the eggs. I'm going to put them on my burner back here. I'm going to turn it on high, and I'm going to wait for it to boil. I'll be right back. Okay, as you've seen, the eggs are boiled. They're ready to be checked to see if they're done. So my great-grandmother had a trick that if you pull your egg out and if it dries within 10 seconds, it is all ready to go. You can eat it. So that means the inside is not too runny and it's not overcooked. So I'm going to pull one of the eggs out. I'm going to hold it up and we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one was done in 6 seconds. So I'm going to take them off the burner. Turn my burner off. I'm going to let them cool in the hot water, and then once they're all dry, or once they're all cooled down, I will peel them and set some aside for my husband's lunch, and then I'm going to set 2 aside, and I'm going to make egg salad with you guys later on this week. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.
Thank you, Miss D. Great job. That egg looks delicious. You can send it on my way. Next up, we have a meowing cat in the background. That's Mr. Marius. I don't know what he's meowing at. We have Miss B, and she's going to be doing a word ladder. And this is a new word ladder that we've not seen yet, so we should check it out. And on your choice board today, Mr. D has included that word ladder there, so you can try to complete it with Miss B. So, Miss B, take it away.
Up the ladder, nowhere to go, feel the wrong, slipping under my toes. Try to catch up, everything is a clatter. Ooh, son, now get up the ladder.
Hey everybody, hope you're keeping nice and comfy in this nice warm weather. So I have a word ladder for you guys. It's called more or less, and the bottom word is most. So the first clue says, the pole on a sailboat that holds the sails. Change one letter. Next clue, this covers your face on Halloween. Change one letter. A wooden barrel that holds liquids. Change one letter. What a doctor puts on your arm or leg if it's broken. Change one letter. The land next to the sea. Add one letter. The price of something. Take away one letter. If something can't be found, it's Change one letter. Opposite of first. Change one letter. Opposite of most. Add one letter. So there is our word ladder for today. I'm going to go work on this. There's some clues there that are having me go, Anyway, good luck, guys. See you soon.
Okay, so thank you, Miss B. Great word ladder as always. Next up, we're going to look at the problem of the day from Friday, and I'm going to go over the solution that Mr. D came to. I'd be curious to know if you also got the same answer or if you got a different answer, and if you used the same method to solve the problem as Mr. D did. After I'm done reviewing our problem from Friday, as usual, I'm going to give you your problem of the day for today. I love when I get emails of your answers. Just send me the email with the answer in it. It makes me very happy. So here are our problems of the day. Friday, Mom has 6 apples and she shares them equally among her 3 children. How many apples do they each get? Well, we can use numbers or numbered lines to try and solve this problem, but in this case, I would probably just do a picture. I have 3 kids here. This kid, that kid, that kid. I have 6 apples. I need to share these 6 apples equally amongst the 3 children. So I'll bring 1 apple and give it to this guy. 1 apple, bring it to this girl. 1 apple, bring it to this girl. I'm going to get another apple and give it to him. Another apple to her. And another apple to her. So how many apples do they each get? Well, you can see that each one of them was given 2 apples. So what that question really is saying is 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And that was your problem of the day on Friday. Did you get the same answer as Mr. D did? Okay, your problem of the day of today shows 3 dots plus another 3 dots. And the question is asking you, is that the same as saying 2 times 2 or 2 groups of 2? Is it the same as saying 2 groups of 3 or 2 times 3? Is it the same as saying 3 groups of 3 or 3 times 3? Or is it the same as saying 4 groups of 2 or 4 times 2? You tell me which is the best way to represent this. Okay, next up is our choices for today. What kind of things can we do? Let's look at our choice board. Of course, every day we're going to do hygiene. We're going to brush our teeth, wash our face, brush or comb our hair, put on clean clothes, and have a bath or a shower. That's what we do every day to take care of our bodies. Then we have our reflex math option, our prodigy math option. You can pick one, log in, do, reflex until you get a light, prodigy until you kill a couple people, and then you're good there. Our practical or life skills today, we have 2 things. The first thing is boil an egg, because that's what Miss D told us to do. And our next thing is make an instrument, because that's what Mr. Duhamel showed us how to do. Our problem of the day is here for you. Can you create 5 words from the UG, UG family? I bet you can. One of them would be hug. We have live worksheets. We have Epic. We have Lexia. Choose one of those and log in. Epic, read a couple books. Lexia, you know you've got another light that comes on when you're successful with that. Miss B gave us a new word ladder, more or less. Here it is for you to look at, to try out. Today is the last day of your word challenge for Kahoot. You have a phys ed choice board that you can click on and check it out. If you go on a neighborhood walk with an adult today, can you walk backwards safely? I'd be curious to see if you could do that. And of course, rounding out our choice board all the time is our music, drawing, dance, and coloring sections. So you have a lot of fun things you can choose to work on today that'll help you get super smart. Those are your choices for today. Well, that's all the time we have for today. It's been great to see you on Mr. D's Class Online. Thank you to Miss A, Miss B, Miss D, Mr. Duhamel, and we will have some new segments for you tomorrow. Can't wait to see you. Until then, be well.